Hi, I'm Amanda Rowan, founder and head coach at the Therapist Development Center. If you're a first-time viewer and looking to pass your social work or MFT licensing exam, or just interested in topics relevant to clinical social work and psychotherapy, you've come to the right place. If you like it, be sure to subscribe for updates. You can also sign up for our complete LMSW, LCSW, and MFT exam prep programs by going to our website at therapistdevelopmentcenter.com or clicking on our logo. Thanks. Today's topic: Free Law and Ethics question, HIPAA. This month's free California Law and Ethics practice question will test your knowledge on HIPAA. What is HIPAA? HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, has been around for more than 2 decades. This law is so complex that even 20 plus years later, it's still difficult for many MFTs and social workers, not to mention other healthcare providers, to navigate. Not a day passes without at least one HIPAA-related question showing up in my inbox. While this blog cannot cover everything you need to know about HIPAA, it will provide you an opportunity to test your knowledge on the subject. On the exam, you could be tested on what is the purpose of HIPAA, who is considered a HIPAA-covered entity, what is the difference between medical records and psychotherapy notes, who can sign an authorization for release of information, what must be included in a medical record, and what information can I share with other professionals. Let's see how you do on this week's question. Practice question. A therapist closed his private practice as he transitioned into retirement. Several clients requested referrals and started treatment with their new therapists. The retired therapist receives requests for his former clients' records. As a HIPAA-covered entity, what are the therapist's legal obligations in this situation? A. Request authorization for release of information to share a summary of medical records with clients' new providers. Safely store all original medical records for 7 years from the date of termination. B. Request authorization for release of information to share medical records and psychotherapy notes with the client's new providers. Safely store all original medical records for 7 years from the date of termination. C. Request authorization for release of information to share psychotherapy notes with client's new therapist, and offer copy of medical records to clients before securely disposing of records. The last one, D. Request authorization for release of information to share summary of medical records with the client's new providers, and offer copy of medical records to client before securely disposing of records. So take a moment and think about the best combination of answer. So the best answer here is A. Answer B is incorrect because psychotherapy notes are the personal notes of the therapist and kept confidential. Psychotherapy notes are not synonymous with progress notes, which is a common point of confusion for many people. Progress notes, for example, the SOAP model or OR model commonly used, are part of a client's medical records and psychotherapy records. If a release is provided by the therapist, the new therapist, progress notes could be shared or summarized. The second part of B is correct as far as keeping the records, but the first part makes this answer wrong. Answer C is incorrect all around. As noted above for answer B, we do not share psychotherapy notes. The answer is also incorrect because a therapist cannot dispose of records immediately. They must retain them for a minimum of 7 years. Answer D is wrong because of the second part. Answer A is the strongest option available. Under HIPAA, therapists need authorization for release of information before sharing records with other professionals. In addition, therapists must retain records for a minimum of 7 years following termination. This holds true even if a therapist is closing their practice. Thank you so much for listening. Remember, if you're studying for your exam and looking for the best LMSW, LCSW, or MFT exam prep, please visit our website at therapistdevelopmentcenter.com to sign up. With a 95% pass rate, we offer the best study system on the market to help you pass your exam with confidence. Here at TDC, we're with you until you pass.